Everything is proceeding as I have foreseen.
Alright guys, in this video we have some pretty crazy Xbox news to go over. It actually also has to do with AMD. Apparently the Xbox Series graphics source code has reportedly been stolen and is being held for a $100 million ransom. Not good at all for either Xbox or AMD, not good in general, and obviously there are a lot of jokes being made about this, how this is clearly PlayStation's doing. PlayStation and Sony are the ones behind it. Mark Cerny is doing that evil smile of his. And while it is funny to kind of make those jokes, this is actually a very serious thing, and I have to imagine that both AMD and Microsoft are in full-fledged panic mode right now behind the scenes, trying to figure out a way to deal with this immediately, because the fact that there is somebody out there that actually has the source code and is threatening to put it out there publicly, not good. So we're going to read a little bit of this. Do me a favor, be sure to hit the like button if you want to help the video out, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. It says here, the news arrives through a blog post on the AMD website, where the hardware company explained the situation. We were contacted by someone who claimed to have test files related to a subset of our current and future graphics products, the statement reads. According to a report from Torrent Freak, this stolen data was found in a hacked computer and includes source code for AMD's Big Navi and Ardyn GPUs. The latter is rumored to be the Xbox Series 12 teraflop GPU. Segments of code have been posted on GitHub and subsequently removed. The hacker is asking for $100 million for the code and is threatening to dump the entirety of the stolen data if a buyer is not found. The fact that AMD has issued a DMCA takedown notice on the repository where the data was being held would suggest that this is a legitimate breach. Later in the official statement, AMD made it clear that the stolen data is not core to the competitiveness or security of our graphics products. So yeah, definitely not good news for either Microsoft or AMD here. They're putting out this statement trying to, I guess, maybe calm everyone down, saying that this is not a direct threat to their security and whatever, but I don't know, man. If this is true and there is actually the source code out there, I really hope that for the sake of Microsoft and AMD and gamers in general, that this doesn't actually make its way out to the public, because that's going to cause a lot of problems for Microsoft. Now, I'm not like the most technical person, so I don't know exactly what this could mean. All I do know is that it's not good, and this is code that's not meant to be out there in the public. It's something that only Microsoft and AMD and people who are involved are supposed to have access to. So as I said, I'm sure that Phil Spencer and the executives over there at AMD, they are probably in full-blown panic mode right now, trying to figure out how to get this situation under control and do anything they can to ensure that this does not actually get out there to the public. It's bad news in general, and as I said, it makes for some funny memes saying that this is PlayStation, and listen, come on, it's not PlayStation doing this. It's a hacker that's just trying to obviously secure $100 million. I mean, I doubt they're going to get that money, but I mean, who knows if that is the only surefire way at the end of the day for these companies to make sure this code doesn't get out there. I don't know if that's something they would actually do, but I'm going to continue to follow this and see how it ends up getting resolved. But I just thought that this would make for an interesting video, and I really am going to be interested to see what you guys have to say about this, because the Xbox Series graphics source code is out there. Somebody stole it, and they are threatening to put it out there to the public. And because I'm not the most, technical sound person here, I'm interested to see if anybody can explain to me just what type of, damage could be done exactly by somebody having the source code. What could be done if they were to actually release it publicly? Let me know down in the comments below, and just make sure you leave your thoughts on this news in general. Again, I'm going to be really interested to see what you guys have to say. Leave the video a like if you did enjoy it or found it informative. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and haven't already. Hit the bell notification icon so you never miss an upload, and feel free to share this video out on top of all that. But until next time, guys, take care.